so weird.
What'd you say?
I said, whoa, I look so weird.
I know, I feel like that
stop
too.
jogging, man.
But every time I'm like, yeah, I still look weird, just as weird as I did last time. Say hi, Blue.
Hi.
So, for some
Shelby
reason,
always interrupts.
I gotta say something now to whoever might happen to look at this. Well, every time I go to Walmart, I have this compulsion to take a video, whether it be me eating tacos in the parking lot, or me just taking videos of ridiculous looking boots, or how bad the pharmacy staff is. So now I'm bringing in my children, which will be even more interesting and exciting. Go KU! I was trying to,
Yeah, look at my shirt.
yeah, and after this, well, first thing we're going to do is grab a Monster Energy drink. Then we're going to get medicine, aka pills. Then we're going to go look for some zombie makeup and some other cool zombie stuff. And then we're going to, like, get pumpkins and maybe just something crazy. We're definitely looking at video games today so we know what to call Santa Claus and ask him for.
And we're going to Grandma's and we're going to, whatever we call it. No, and we're going to, not Walmart.
Are you driving?
Walmart.
Here's the wheel. This is the front seat of the car. And then you're in the back seat. So how do you know where we're going?
I don't
She
know.
has no idea. To be continued. We might take some shots in Walmart.
Watch TV! Watch TV!